Recipes. Here we have a recipe for making 8 biscuits, and we need to make a recipe for 24 biscuits. You'll notice to get from 8 biscuits to 24 biscuits, you just times by 3. So that's all you do for each of the ingredients as well. 150 times 3 is 450, 60 times 3 is 180, and 200 times 3 is 600. Not all questions will be this easy though. Imagine if we were asked to make 20 biscuits, what would the ingredients be now? Now you can get from 8 to 20 in one go, but it can be a bit tricky. I'd advise putting a bridge in the middle. To get from 8 biscuits to 4 biscuits, I divide by 2, and then to get from 4 to 20, I times by 5. So do this with each of the ingredients. 150, divide by 2, then times by 5. 60 divide by 2, then times by 5. 200 divide by 2, and times by 5. It can get even harder still. What if it asks for 13 biscuits? Now this time I'd advise using the unitary method, which means going down to 1 biscuit. So to get to 1 biscuit I divide by 8, and then to get from 1 to 13 biscuits I times by 13. So divide by 8, times by 13, divide by 8, times by 13, divide by 8, times by 13, and you'll get to your answers.